Astronomers have discovered a black hole jet that is 50 times larger than its galaxy. Astronomers at Western Sydney University have discovered one of the biggest black hole jets in the sky. Spanning more than 1 million light-years from end to end, the jet shoots away from a black hole with enormous energy, and at almost the speed of light. But in the vast expanses of space between galaxies, it doesn't always get its own way. Taking a closer look. At a mere 93 million light-years away, the galaxy NGC 2663 is in our neighborhood, cosmically speaking. If our galaxy were a house, NGC 2663 would be a suburb or two away. Looking at its starlight with an ordinary telescope, we see the familiar oval shape of a typical elliptical galaxy, with about 10 times as many stars as our own Milky Way. Typical, that is, until we observed NGC 2663 with CSIRO's Australian Square